Why is Ukraine asking the U.S. for more than just missile supplies this June? The answer reveals a complex strategy that goes beyond weapons and could shape the future of global security. Ukraine's requests this June go beyond missile supplies because the conflict demands a multifaceted approach. Missiles alone cannot guarantee victory or long-term security. Ukraine needs advanced intelligence systems, drones, and cyber defense tools to detect threats early and respond effectively. Additionally, training and logistical support are vital to maintain operational readiness. This broad range of military aid reflects the evolving nature of modern warfare, where technology and strategy are as critical as firepower. Ukraine is also asking for economic and humanitarian assistance to address the severe impact of prolonged conflict on its citizens. This includes funding to rebuild infrastructure, support displaced families, and stabilize the economy. Without this support, military gains risk being undermined by social and economic collapse. This dual approach highlights how the war is not just fought on battlefields, but also through resilience at home. By expanding its requests, Ukraine signals a need for stronger international alliances and deterrence measures. This is about more than immediate defense. It's a strategic move to ensure long-term security against future aggression. The U.S. and its allies play a pivotal role in maintaining a balance of power in the region. Ukraine's appeal reflects the urgency of global cooperation to prevent escalation and promote stability. Ukraine's request for more than just missile supplies this June reveals a comprehensive strategy that blends military, economic, and geopolitical efforts. This approach shows how modern conflicts require more than weapons. They demand resilience, alliances, and innovation. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had and stay curious about the world.